Where does all of Western New York want to go?
Five Animal Safari!
You do? Wow. 5 Animal Safari is 5 Animal Safari. 5 whole animals to pet.
5 animals? What are they?
Duck, giraffe, turtle, horse and turtle. Pet 2 turtles with your 2 hands.
I want to pet the giraffe!
Sorry, but you can't touch the diseased giraffe. The sick giraffe's been sick for 3 months.
How do I get to 5 Animal Safari?
Take rural Route 9 past the Texaco station. Hang a ride when you see hay.
But how much does it cost?
Take $20 and double it 3 times. Then double that and give it to me.
Let's go right now!
Hurry on down to 5 Animal Safari. Giraffe doctors get in for free.